Hey guys, happy Vlogmas! How you guys doing? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my sorrel puree. This sorrel puree, I'll be using it to make my sorrel fruit cake in my next video. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this sorrel puree. So I hope you guys going to enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Thanks again for watching my video, and stay tuned for my sorrel fruit cake in my next video. Bye guys! So these are my ingredients for my sorrel puree. So I have my sorrel petals there. I have my red wine, cinnamon stick, brown sugar, extra mature rum, and Ivanov vodka. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on my pot on the stove, and then I'm going to pour in my red wine. Then I'm going to pour in my Ivanov vodka, my brown rum, extra mature, brown sugar. Then I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to stir in the brown sugar into the mixture. So then I'm going to pour in my cinnamon stick. Now my sorrel petals. Then I'm just going to give that a mix, just like this. And then I'm just going to leave this to boil for about 20 minutes or so. So it has been boiling for 20 minutes. I'm going to let it boil for at least 5 more minutes and give it a stir. Make sure it's soft and nice. Don't forget guys, I'll be making my sorrel fruit cake with this. So my next video is going to be my sorrel fruit cake, so look out for that. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to please subscribe and also give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So my sorrel finished boiling, so I'm going to let it cool down for a few hours. So now the sorrel finished cooling down. So here it is. So I'm going to blend it up. So I'm just going to take out my cinnamon stick first, or if you want you can blend up a cinnamon stick, but I prefer not to because it already been boiling in the sorrel petals, so you don't have to leave in the cinnamon stick. So now I'm going to take my sorrel mixture here. I'm going to take off my blender cover. Then I'm going to pour all the liquid mixture inside of the blender. Just like that. So now I'm just going to pour in the petals now with a spoon, a little bit at a time. I'm trying my best not to make a whole set of mess. But you know it's hard to do. So now I'm gonna cover my blender. And at this point, the blender is giving me problems. So when you girl, I know but fancy ninja blender. I can't get the thing to fix properly on the, I don't know. I titivate until I got it right. But I hardly use this blender. I can't really know how to do it properly. But eventually I got it. Yes, I got it right now. So now I'm going to wipe off the little sorrel juice that's running from the blender there. And I'm going to mix this up and let it blend for a couple seconds. So I blend it there for a couple seconds. I'm going to also blend it back one more time again. So as you can see there, my sorrel finished blending up. It is nice and smooth. I'm going to let you guys see how smooth it is. I'm also going to just pour it in a bowl so you guys can get to see properly. So look at this delicious, smooth sorrel puree, guys. This is gonna be so good on your cake, or you can put it on your meat as well. It's nice and smooth. If you guys are making this recipe, make sure you blend it till it's nice and smooth, just like this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy my Vlogmas video, my sorrel puree. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to follow me on any social media, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Also, I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Thank you, I would really appreciate it. So thanks again for watching, and see you guys in the next video. And I hope everyone enjoyed the Christmas. My next video is going to be my sorrel fruit cake. So look out for that video, right? Thanks again for watching, guys. See you in my sorrel fruit cake video. Bye. Happy Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Enjoy.